Kawachako en ni riwruok mar Okinde LSK ochuoga put moyiedhi mar Okinde mar mondo mi onon ka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oketho chik kuom nyiso jotend migepe mage mondo kik luw chik ma doho ogolo mar chungo chenro mage mag dongruok. Jakom mar LSK Eric Theuri yango ni ponono ni doho yango ni Ruto ne oketho chik, mano nyalo miyo thiche oko e apisi kaluwore gi chik. Jafwambo marwa mar siasa Chris Owino lerno mathoth.
Higa mar 2024 nenore kama dhi bedo malach ne jatend piny Dr. William Ruto bang' riwruok mar Okinde pacho kae LSK chuogo aput moyiedhi mar Okinde mar nono ka Ruto oketho katiba, gino ma en mise moromo mar gole apisi. Jakom LSK Eric Theuri wacho ni ponono ni apudno oyango ni Ruto ne oketho chik kuom nyiso apisas mag sirikal mondo kik luw chik ma doho ogolo, gibiro chwalo bura e doho mamalo.
We have already put up a team of lawyers to look at this and say, and because the Constitution allows us to approach the High Court when there is a threat to violation of the Constitution, to consider whether the current scenario raises enough threats of violation of the Constitution for us to move to court and seek a declaration that the President has violated the Constitution. As you are all aware, one of the reasons or one of the grounds for impeachment is violation of the Constitution.
LSK bende chano nyuando ute lamo kod riwruoge ma kedo ne ratich oganda e chenro mar chuno William Ruto mondo olu chik kendo owe donjore kod bad migawo mar doho.
We are going to move this discussion into a broad-based coalition of like-minded civil societies. We are going to move this discussion to religious organizations so that we can all come together as one and say that the rule of man died with the old Constitution, and that 14 years down the line we will not allow a rollback to those days when a president was autocratic and carried himself as if he is above the law.
We are living in very dangerous times, both from executive excesses and other institutions. But we want to assure that we shall keep every institution in check without favor or without fear.
Chenro mar chuno William Ruto kod piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza mondo luw chik dhi chakore chieng' tich abich jumani e ng'anyo mamuol mar Okinde e pacho kae mangima.
We want to advise the president to dissuade him of this notion that he could be above the law, or that whatever he wishes or whatever he wants should then guide what decisions the judiciary should give, or what any other institution. He may get it in parliament, but he is not going to get it in the judiciary for as long as we are watching.
And the reason why we are demonstrating is we want to let the whole world know, not just Kenya, that we advocate for the rule of law, and we shall not allow anyone or any person, whether it's a president or a cabinet secretary or a member of parliament, to disrespect the court system. Because the moment you disrespect, people start disrespecting the rule of law, automatically we start falling into anarchy.
LSK oramoni ok gibi yie mondo William Ruto oduok piny Kenya e telo mar agoko mane onenore kinde loch mar mosenindo Daniel Arap Moi.
We have said in no uncertain terms that the president of this country is not above the law. And so therefore, we do not expect him to speak as if obeying of court orders is a favor that is doing to the country. It is a constitutional requirement.
Jatend piny William Ruto to pod oniano ni okobi dok chien e chung' mare ewi chenro mag dongruok ma owacho ni doho ne ochungo. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.